In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the metronome not syncing in Cubase. So I'm going to show you two of the most common fixes. The first one is going to be to go to Project up top, and you want to go to Project Setup. You could also press Shift plus S on your keyboard, and it's going to open up this. Now in here, you want to make sure where it says Record File Format, your sample rate is the same as the sample rate of your audio. If it's not, this could cause issues, and that could be why metronome is not syncing for you inside Cubase. So if you have sample rate of like 48 kilohertz, but you have your audio sample rate in here of like 44.1, for example, then of course there's going to be some issues, and vice versa of course as well. So make sure that this is selected on the same kilohertz over here as you have on your audio. That's the first thing you have to check. But if that doesn't fix your issue, you can go to Transport up here, you can go to Metronome Setup, and if you've been messing with these settings over here, you can just go ahead and take a second over here to click everything like it is on my screen, because these are the defaults. I haven't messed with these. These are kind of the default settings. So if you want to, you can just kind of go back to default and of course see if that's going to fix the issue. So you can just pause this video and check these like they are over here, which is the default. I'm gonna now go to click sounds over here, and usually it could just help if you click on use Steinberg click sound over here. So if you're using customs, just go and use the default one over here, and that could also kind of help you. And then go to click patterns, and over here these are the defaults. Now from here I'm just gonna click on OK, and when you of course click on the OK button down here, it's gonna apply all these settings, and that's going to hopefully fix your issue. Okay, now I hope your metronome is now synced. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.